In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix no backups error on my World app. So basically what I did to be able to fix it is that I firstly closed the World app here, and then I went into the settings app on my phone. And then in here I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general, I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage right here. And now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So now when it's done loading all the apps right here, just swipe up, click on search here, search for World app and click on the World app. Now click on offload app and once again click on offload app down here as you can see. Now we're just going to wait and then click on the reinstall app button here. And sometimes, by the way, you have to click on it 2 times just so you know. And now you're just going to basically wait for the World app to completely update to its latest version. So I did this myself, and when it was done, I just went back into the app and it actually worked after that. So try this and hopefully this is going to be able to fix it for you as well.